Firefighters in Lake Worth had to put out a fire in the Casa Brera apartment complex of Hypoluxo and Military Trail. The fire happened on the balcony of a third-floor apartment. FPL was on scene investigating to see if it was an electrical fire. First responders tell News Channel 5 no one was hurt.